morning, friends. Welcome to Cynthia's Garden. I'm Cynthia. It is another beautiful morning, and I am doing my garden duty of coming out and inspecting the garden to see what needs attention and what doesn't need attention. So I'll bring you guys along today. I know what you're saying. Cynthia, what are you doing there if you started seeds? I told y'all I started the seeds late, so I gotta compensate with transplants. And they're $2 for the burpees starts at Home Depot. So that's what I'm doing. I did up pot some of my seedlings, but they're not ready to go out. And we're already almost to the first week of May, and I gotta get something producing. I mean, it's only fitting. So let's see what we got. A Cuban bell pepper. I don't have seeds for that. So I think it's good. And if you think about it, $2 for the start. The time and effort that I would have spent into the seeds, putting in the seeds, letting it grow. If I had it inside, I mean, you're paying for time. $2. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Some things you just have to. And you do it to get yourself started. I have the space, I think. If I don't, we'll make a space. I told you, I'm a chaotic gardener. I'll pack those beds. I don't care what the rules say. My harvest is my harvest. This is called culantro. That's cilantro. See, it says culantro, often used for a substitution for cilantro, and it has a greater heat tolerance. Cilantro bolts in the heat and becomes coriander. So this is an alternative. I think we should try it. See, I brought things that I didn't even have or never even grew before. So it's worth it, right? Yeah, it is. It is. At least I'm telling myself that. You tell yourself whatever you got to tell yourself. That's what I'm telling myself. This is what I mean by shop the deals. Oh, it's 50% off. Because technically you should already have these on the ground. But in that area, well, how you going? Good, how are you? Just gonna get one because honestly I can dig up. Ever since I mulched this bed, it's looking so much better. And I put a lot of compost in this bed throughout the season. Because what we don't want to happen, but it happens, our friends, the tomato hornworm, finds your tomato plant. And they can destroy a tomato plant. And I'm just watering this in. Like I know I water the green stock from the top, but this has some 511, so I wanted to put it on there directly so it gets a little bit of food directly because it's gonna have that transplant shock. And I gotta take care of my little seedlings. And hope you enjoyed your time in my little corner of the world. And I'll catch you next time, friends. Bye.